For our last example with example C, we have two absolute values here on either side. So we're actually going to take a moment to really look at this. This means that plus or minus x plus minus 4 equals plus or minus 2x plus 1. So let's play with this. We can have x minus 4 equals 2x plus 1. We can have x minus 4 equals negative 2x plus 1. We can have negative x minus 4 equals 2x plus 1. Or we have negative x minus 4 equals, I'm running out of room here, negative, there we go, 2x plus 1. So it seems like we have four different equations here. However, let's play with equations 3 and 4 a little bit. If we multiply both sides by negative 1, it turns x minus 4 positive, and we get negative 2x plus 1, which is the same exact thing that we see in equation 2 over here. So we see that equations 2 and 3 are actually the exact same equations. So we don't need to solve equation 3 since we already have equation 2. We can just solve that one. Now let's look at equation 4. Again, if we multiply both sides by negative 1, it gets rid of the negative on the left side, so we're just left with x minus 4. And it also gets rid of the negative on the right side, so we have 2x plus 1. Now this equation here, x minus 4 equals 2x plus 1, is the same as equation 1. So instead of solving for 4 equations, we can just solve for 2. This is true whenever you have this double absolute value. So all we want to do is we'll take the positive of the left side, set one equation equal to the positive of the right, and one equation equal to the negative of the right. Now let's solve these. We get negative 4 equals x plus 1, so x equals negative 5. And then over here we get x minus 4 equals negative 2x minus 1. We get 3x minus 4 equals negative 1, 3x equals 3, x equals 1. Our two solutions are x equals negative 5 and 1, which we can also express as a set. Hopefully it made sense how we took 4 equations and whittled it down to 2. And hopefully the idea of solving for absolute values in general makes sense. Basically, you want to get the absolute value on its own side all alone, and then set it equal to the right side, both a positive version and a negative version. Just do be very, very careful for problems like problem B. If you ever get that an absolute value equals a negative number, there is no solution. It is a contradiction to have an absolute value equal a negative number.